Hey guys, just a quick video today on downloading our new TPMS app. We've just added it to the Google Play Store, so we're just going to go how you can do it on the unit. So you want to make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi first of all. So this will involve turning off CarPlay because that will shut off Wi-Fi. Let's do this, just go on here, network and internet, and make sure you're connected to a Wi-Fi source. So your home Wi-Fi, your phone's mobile hotspot, Starlink, anything like that. And once you've done that, you can go scroll down, you've got your Google Play Store here, open that up, go to search, and the app is called TPMS Aware. So that's the last thing I searched there. Just go TPMS, and then it's probably the top one there. And this is what it looks like. It's this red app here. You'll see Vhedia Pty Ltd, and you just tap on that, and you can see whole page, and you just hit install. So let that install. Shouldn't take too long, it's a pretty small app. Now that that's done, you can open it. And there you go, the app should load up. And this is where you'll select Bluetooth or USB. If you've got your receiver plugged into the back of the unit, then you want to select USB, as that will give you the fastest connection, and you hit OK. And there you go. Now, a quick disclaimer, this app only works for our new receiver. So I think it's when we started selling the TPMS back in April this year, 2025. So if you've got the old receiver, you want to use our older TPMS app. So just give us a call, call our help number. We'll be happy to help you find out what receiver you have. It should say it on the receiver itself actually, whether it's the new version or the old version, and that's how you know whether this app is right for you. So yeah, you can place that anywhere on the screen, somewhere nice, and there you go.